Above you.
I'm already getting shot at. What do you mean, what?
Y'all grab my precision.
I got some jackass fucking team running up underneath of me.
Got some jackass
team. A rush fucking
boy.
Drop. Fucking pussy.
Yeah, Delta, see? Spit your shit, Delta.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, Delta, spit your shit. No, Shabingus, get off the roof, Shabingus. They're pop smoke. They're coming behind us.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
I see an enemy.
I might die, I'm dead. Homelander ran up on me.
It's fucking Homelander, bro. Beat the shit out of him. Thank you. Nigga, it's so weird. Ain't got no money.
To get fucked up. That's a party high. You're trying to party. If you go to California, if you want California weed. Jamaica weed? That's like that's
Grandma's crazy.
Almost landed up there. Oh.
Enemy. Some of your squads outside the safe zone.
There's two of them, don't forget y'all. Oh, yeah, there's two of them.
Where the fuck is he?
Good stuff. I cracked him. He ran back inside. There's somebody on us. Somebody on us.
Enemy down.
Your squad mate is in the gulag. If they survive,
There's a bunch of them over here. Run. It's a whole team, Hamza.
Target area marked. Grenade out. Sniper here.
Triangle.
Hey, Hamza, watch over here.
Lay down, bitch.
There's two of them. Dang, I missed that one.
I've already killed the other
Over
one.
here.
He's right here. I already killed the other one.
Where's he at? I'm still with you?
Friendly fire. Watch
This
it.
thing right here.
gas is moving.
Grenade out.
Lanzar granada, porque
Yo!
The safe zone is far from your location. Get moving, pronto.
le di tocado.
I'm dead, bro. Don't worry about me.
No! It's up to you now.
He's near the ammo. He's near the lower. That's you shooting?
Down. I'm taking fire.
Oh, shit. Good. That was a good one right there. Somebody landed?
Moving here.
You fucking slut bastards.
Called me a slut bastard.
Could have called you something else, but I didn't.
I can call you something.
Go ahead.
My son.
Oh, lovely. Thank you, Daddy.
You still alive?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to jump down here and get me.
No, I ain't gonna get you. I'll let your teammate come and revive you.
I don't wanna die, I just wanna feel alive. Maybe in my next life, get a chance to feel alive.